say Funny Guy Farm?
Funny Guy Farm.
We had rented this mini excavator. We were doing all this land art. We got some more chickens.
Good work, man.
I think we're communicating pretty well right now. Here we go.
Is this a Funny Guy Farm video? Hey, kitty, kitty.
I bought this, that.
Oh, you're so funny.
Today on the Funny Guy Farm YouTube channel,
We're going camping.
we're up in the mountain.
We got Sunny. We got Finn. Hi, Finn. We got Bob.
Hi!
We got Mom. Hi. Okay, it is pissing down rain. We're at the Trinity River. It's July 20th or so, but it's fun. It's really hot, but it is pouring. Here's camp. Welcome to Trinity! Where are we?
We're at Trinity River.
It's part of my tax write-off.
Let me something on.
At least get that as far as we can. Social media influence. Happy hour. Woo!
What are you doing? Where are you going? Come here. Sunny Buzz. Hey, come look at. Where are you going?
Be under the car.
Yeah. She gets scared of thunder.
4-person tent? Like, how do we house everyone? We only have
Woo!
1-2-person tent right now. So we bring the 4-person tent, but it weighs like a fucking...
Rebecca, we doing our morning cold plunge tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, ma'am, you don't do that.
Put them on. Put them on. Let me see. Let me see you put them on.
Are you guys having no fun?
No.
Do you say Funny Guy Farm?
Funny Guy Farm.
Nice.
But my name is Bo and I'm angry.
Your name is Bo and you're angry? Oh, so Bo's... Remove stuff.
You guys aren't stupid now.
Beautiful. It seemed to work. Water's cold.
Yeah, the water is really cold. That's why I brought my farm boots so I could stand out there and fly fish longer. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess so.
Lover, where are we?
Dude, Trinity Alps, man. Trinity River. Trinity River. Like Charlie Crockett says.
Dogs everywhere.
Dog Island.
Dog Island. Isle
And
of
it
dogs.
just poured. It's July, and it just poured. Got everything wet. Thunder and lightning, like some black clouds. The light right now is crazy. It's like 8:45. This is a crazy sunset. Sky is like bright orange. My kids are screaming, obviously, but it's gorgeous. Just lay on your belly. There you go. I'm just tired. Kind of stinky in here.
I kept Ziggy's in the vestibule here.
Good Ziggy's. It might be my socks. Remember, I haven't washed them since backpacking.
You have stinky feet?
Yeah, maybe it's my socks.
I think it's pretty cozy in here, personally. Good morning. Where's my people?
You guys having any fun with Rebecca?
No.
Can I use your cast iron?
You just don't know where it is.
It's not lost, but it's not found.
Complete my project.
How's your morning coffee?
Yum.
Good morning coffee.
Mom, yours.
I love her hair. It's like your hair. Oh.
Sorry.
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 This one broke, huh?
Yeah, I mean,
They like do this big talk. Oh, these are better steaks, and it's like
you're actually out here using this stuff, you know, it's like you got some Weekend Warrior gear at Walmart and then you took it to like Summit Half Dome or some shit, you know, and you're like,
are we asking a lot from our steaks?
where do those eggs come from?
Coating or like
Yeah, you get it together, Sass. You gotta articulate that pan. Don't let the hot spots build up. Dude, you got this going on, Sass. Look at this guy go.
It's easier than flipping it because I always break it.
Finished making a coffee and you know, I was micromanaging Sass for a little bit and I'm just gonna go over there and
What do you guys got going over here? Step right up.
Step right up. What's friendship paid with?
Oh, pick your colors for
Yeah.
friendship bracelet?
But one goes already going, so.
Okay. Delivery, friendship bracelet. Okay, and then here, you hold.
wow, look at that. What are you guys making there?
Friendship bracelet. We're making everybody friendship bracelet. Put your finger a little back. I'm going to be the giveaway. And I'm going to send it to people.
Okay, give me the end. Okay, now put your finger in the middle for your friendship bracelet
Put it in that pile right now.
No way!
Let's see how far.
Let's get in.
Look at me.
Long day on the river.
No, we haven't even
We haven't started.
yet. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. It's like 3 in the afternoon.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, let's go for a float.
Okay, what they're talking about is last year we went on this float that lasted like 10 hours. We parked the cars way further than the good out spot, so we had to float on by. Anyway, we didn't bring any water, we didn't bring any food. Look, we're gonna go right here. Everybody turn. 1, 2, 3. Lean. Okay, lean. Good job. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Well,
You don't move faster.
do you want to do it again?
More faster.
Do you want to do it again? Which boat are you gonna go in?
Yours.
Mine? Finn. Whose boat are you going in?
Nick.
Why?
Kev.
Because you like going in Nick's boat?
Yeah.
Oh, I see how it is. Say, hey, Ba.
Hey, Ba.
Hey, Finn.
Diggy, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey, stop. What are you looking at? Look at that.
We're gonna go float?
Yeah, ready?
Ziggy says, I'm ready. Right, Ziggy? You ready? Here you come. Is it cold? Trinity River. Looking beautiful. Wow.
All right, vessel 1.
We'll just go slow right now. We'll follow you. Hey, Bon, Sunny.
Hi, here we go.
And Ziggy.
We're in the canoe.
All right, let these guys go because we buck. Here they come.
cow.
Hey, Ziggy. Here they come. Nice.
Hi, Ben.
Good job, Finn.
He be moving. Yeah,
Hi.
we were like booking down here.
Okay, I see it. I see it. It's pretty deep. Follow where Ziggy goes.
You got it, Ziggy.
Hey, Zig. Why don't you stay in the boat? You just want to swim?
Yeah, I think he did.
She just wants to swim.
All by herself.
Or Ziggy just loves Rebecca. There's nothing Well, are you having fun?
Never.
Sunny?
Uh-huh.
Rapids coming. Here we go.
The left.
Left. Hard left. Left, away from the island. Over it. Turn so we drift over. Right? I think we're communicating pretty well right now.
Okay,
What do you
so
think? A little more?
I'm gonna flip us to the right a bit here.
Yeah, just tell me when.
Flipping us to the right.
Okay.
Turning you to the right. So now
I got the assist.
Up to go straight.
Okay, I'm gonna drag.
Power. Fast. Just give us power.
Okay. Power! I got it! Power! Hey,
That's
geese!
pretty cool, huh, Buzz?
Whoa! Hey,
Turn
geese!
us to the left a bit,
Okay,
and then a little back to the right.
Okay.
Out of the white on the left.
okay, got it.
Power.
Yeah, power. Got it. I think we're good though. Just chill for a little bit. How they doing back there?
Dude, you got the GoPro on these?
Yeah, it's going, babe. Why do you always jump out in the rapid, babe?
That's so fun.
All right, we just found ourselves
fun.
on Shotgun Island after some fine maneuvering down the Trinity. Woohoo! We made it! All right, you can get out, Buzz. Good job.
Yeah, it's fast.
Fast.
We're screaming in the canoe.
Dude, we could haul in that
Like,
thing.
"Look, right, left, right. So what's this trail out here?
I don't know, that's what I'm just saying.
How you doing, Bob?
Later.
We just crushed some class 3 rapid. Just cruising down the Trinity. Finn and Nick are up there. Oh, hi, geese.
What's up, geese?
Zig, go get those geese.
Go get this.
Go get them. Hi, ducks.
Where are you people?
Oh, hey. What kind of duck are you? Hey, Finn, how come you choose to go with Uncle Nick? You get to go fast?
Oh, you're that easy.
Even when you got splashed in the face?
Yeah, that's so funny.
Super funny. Hey, crew.
Yeah, Ziggy just like swims the river.
She can't be kept. Try to keep her in a boat or whatever, hold on to her, but she just jumps out. I got it in my crotch. See how this goes. Everybody, this is a crotch cam. Here we go. Crotch cam. Give me some drag. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, power, power, power. Nice, nice. Yeah, straight. Sorry. Crotch cam. Nice. Uh-oh. Finn, did you draw on Nick's boat?
Yeah.
What'd you draw?
This trout.
You drew a face.
A very silly one.
Look, killer. It's a killer one.
You need that, so that too.
Getting the floats ready. Gonna do a little extended 3-hour tour.
Ziggy, you ready?
Right. Here we go for part 2
Here comes
of the Trinity River. Float.
beautiful first mate.
Here we go. There you go, Sadie. We just stopped at camp for a second. Now we're on the way. All right, guys.
We got the canoe.
Now we're cruising. Boss says focus, not film. So now I'm gonna
There you
focus.
go.
Focus. Dude,
The canoe's a pain in the ass to bring in the truck.
Trinity River doesn't disappoint.
We've arrived.
Hey, Bob, are you having a good river float?
Yeah, it's spectacular.
Where are we?
Around the Trinity River.
Trinity River.
The Trinity Alps.
In the Trinity Alp. We put our kids on all these other people. We're just cruising and our kids are in these other rafts. Ziggy's in there in the water and we're just in the canoe. Ziggy always
Good
jumps
girl,
ship.
Ziggy. We are in the middle of the river on an island waiting for the 2 rafts which have our children on them to catch up with us here.
Go straight through. Okay, to the right. Okay. Now we're just chilling. Let's see. I shoved it in my shirt, the GoPro. We just went through some treacherous class 3s, I would say. And now it's just mellow. He's in the water, kids are in the other boat, and we're just freaking chilling.
Okay, where are we going here? Focus.
Straight. We're gonna take a straight line.
Right after these rapids, I think it's a sharp left.
Hi, we're coming in.
Oh my god, you're so funny.
What a helpful plan, dude. You guys are awesome.
2 hours.
That was 2 hours to here?
No, 2 hours further.
Oh, 2 hours further.
Oh, a little butter on your steak? Just a little butter. A little butter.
I think these are like ready though, you know?
Yeah, dude.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
Good?
Yeah. Cute one already? Dang. Yeah, we've got really lucky. The raccoons leave the chickens alone. Nice couple sleepy koalas. Good morning. Good morning. Go camp girls.
Do another float! Alright, so what? We're gonna pack up camp, get everything nice and clean, and then go launch?
Hell yeah. Oh, hello. Welcome to day 2 on the river. Welcome to this week's episode of just a small stick.
Ziggy and Zadie.
Zzz, zzz, zzz. Breaking down camp. Where I'd say we're like 20% left to do. Got this tent still on the awning, but it's going good.
My mommy.
Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. Sunday, decided to float one more time down the river.
Just had such a good time yesterday.
It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. We're all packed up, so we're just gonna float and go.
Just go blast the river
Yeah.
one last time.
Yeah,
Bon bon the canoe.
yeah.
Pretty
It's
good.
too fun not to.
Is the dog gonna swim?
Yeah, the dog's gonna swim the whole way.
Really?
Yeah,
Will you
right?
do the rapids? Has she done it before?
Yeah.
Day 2. Woo!
Man, we're back on the river again.
Where are we going?
Going down river to Shotgun Island.
Oh yeah. Gotta do some maneuvers. Here we go. You ready, Ziggy?
It's amazing. I mean, color, what color? You can see right. It's like crystal clear.
So clear.
Wow, they just like drifted nicely through it. Okay.
We only tipped once.
Only took on water once. Pretty rad, huh?
Yeah.
We got a good amount of water in our canoe.
Yeah, we dunked. Right here. This is where you want to be fishing. Look how glassy this is.
Feels nice. It's cool.
Oh, big cloud over the sun.
Somehow or another, we pawn the kids off on someone else. Ben, what's up?
Hi, Finn.
Hey, Finn. Yeah.
You guys, was that float so fun? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon.
Hold on tight, 'cause we're going for a ride. But the only place we're traveling is through our souls inside.